The 2026 Audi Nuvolari arrives as one of the most exciting performance cars Audi has ever created. With a stunning low-slung body, aggressive aerodynamic styling, and a futuristic presence, this machine looks like it belongs on a racetrack rather than a public road. Every angle has been designed to capture attention, making the Nuvolari impossible to ignore wherever it goes. At the front, sharp LED lighting and a bold interpretation of Audi's signature grille create an intimidating appearance. The wide stance, sculpted hood, and massive air intakes give the car a sense of purpose. From a distance, the Nuvolari appears aggressive and powerful, while up close, its detailed craftsmanship reveals Audi's commitment to performance and luxury. Power comes from an advanced hybrid performance system that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with electric motors. Together, they produce extraordinary horsepower, delivering acceleration that rivals the world's most respected hypercars. The moment the driver presses the accelerator, the Nuvolari launches forward with breathtaking speed and relentless force. Audi engineers focused not only on straight line speed, but also on creating a machine capable of dominating corners. Advanced all-wheel drive technology continuously distributes power where it is needed most. Active suspension and intelligent torque vectoring help keep the car planted, allowing drivers to experience remarkable confidence even at very high speeds. The lightweight construction plays a major role in the Nuvolari's performance. Extensive use of carbon fiber helps reduce weight while maintaining exceptional strength. This approach improves acceleration, braking, and handling, creating a driving experience that feels responsive and precise. Every component has been optimized for maximum efficiency. Inside, the cabin blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. Premium materials surround the driver, while digital displays provide instant access to performance information. The cockpit feels modern and focused, giving the impression that every control exists for a reason. Audi has designed the interior to be both comfortable and highly functional. Aerodynamics are a major part of the Nuvolari's character. Carefully sculpted surfaces guide airflow around the vehicle, helping generate stability at high speeds. Active aerodynamic components adjust automatically depending on driving conditions. These systems work together to improve efficiency while also enhancing overall performance and control. The sound of the powertrain is equally impressive. The twin-turbo V8 delivers a deep and aggressive note, while the electric motors provide instant response. This combination creates a unique driving experience that merges traditional performance with modern electrified technology. The result is both thrilling and sophisticated. Exclusivity is another reason the Nuvolari has generated so much attention. Limited production numbers make it a rare sight even among exotic vehicles. Owners are not simply purchasing a high-performance car, they are securing a piece of Audi's future vision. Its rarity is likely to make it highly desirable among collectors. The 2026 Audi Nuvolari demonstrates what is possible when advanced technology, breathtaking design, and extreme performance come together in a single package. It represents Audi's ambition to push boundaries and challenge expectations. For enthusiasts around the world, the Nuvolari stands as a remarkable glimpse into the future of high-performance motoring.